In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to make a secret painting door in Minecraft, like the one behind me. Before getting started, if you're new to the channel and you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the door is going to look as paint, and when you move in, you can go inside and find another home or secret place. So let's do that again right here. Let's empty this some space. So I want to make it one by one. You just have to get a sign on the paint. You can get any type of signs from the oak or any sign. It does not matter. So first of all, place the sign as you can see right here on the first of the block and on the top also. Then shift and click on this small pixel right here. And as you can see, is now like that. But if you wanted to look 2 blocks, so you can move only inside, you just let's break it and then make like that. And yeah, let's get some space. So we just make some borders to limit the paint. Now right click on this pixel also, and as you can see, the paint has successfully applied. But if you want to make it x4 like this, you can just simply put your sign here on this side, and last in this side make a block from these 2 sides, and then go from the bottom left, and you can put your image as you want. Delete all this stuff, and now you can go for your secret spot behind the paint. This one is 4x4 and that's 2x1. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.